Hey everyone, this is Mike Page with ScriptingIsFun.com. I just wanted to hop on and make a video here real quick celebrating the fact that we have reached 1,000 subscribers on the channel. Who knew a couple years ago when we started making these videos for use in my high school class and just to share it with the world that you would all join on. So I just want to say a heartfelt thank you for subscribing. I'm glad that you are all enjoying the videos and finding them useful. I've gotten many comments over the past couple of years, been able to answer a lot of questions, and I hope to continue on and doing more and just grow our community here at ScriptingIsFun.com. As a bit of an announcement, what's coming up within the next week, you can expect to see some new videos going up. We're starting a new video tutorial series where we will be going over how to make a platform game. So I'm going to show you just a real quick kind of preview of what that game looks like and the types of things you can expect to learn how to do in that series. Here's our kind of prototype game that we're going to be building in the platform genre. We have some different animations where you can do some attacks. No attacks, we don't have a weapon, we can jump. We're going to go over how to switch out the different types of weapons, such as this little blaster that I have. And we also have a sword here that we can use as we're jumping around through our different things. Let's see if I can kill that guy. I did. And we're also going to cover things such as falling platforms, that when you jump on them they wait for a little bit and they fall down. And of course checkpoints for if we die we go back to a checkpoint. Of course, being able to win the game. So lots of fun things there ahead. I look forward to getting that tutorial series recorded and out to you. You can expect to see the first installment sometime later on this week, and then probably 2 or so installments of that for the next several weeks throughout the summer as I develop that course. Again, heartfelt thanks to all of my subscribers and viewers for just supporting the channel, and the whole purpose is for y'all to be able to learn and to grow in your skills, whether you're just dabbling or whether you are preparing yourself for a career in the game design field. It's my pleasure to be part of your journey and to be of help to you. Please leave comments on any things that you'd like to see come up on the channel, any ideas or thoughts that you have. And again, thank you for a good couple of years and for 1,000 subscribers, and have a great day.